The O-Cedar Spin Mop is an easy-to-use floor mopping system. The unique feature here is the foot-powered spin mechanism. It spins out the water in the mop head, which gives you control of how wet your mop is. You can pump the pedal to spin the mop, which wrings out the water. You'll start by putting the mop head on. It's a triangular-shaped piece of plastic. You'll just simply line up the points of the triangle, push it on, and it will snap in place. Now the handle is extendable in two places, one higher up on the handle and another portion lower down close to the mop head. Simply twist it to unlock it, extend it, and then twist it again to lock it in place. Now you can fill up your bucket with water. There is a max fill line that you can see on the inside of the bucket, and then you will simply add your favorite floor cleaner. Now you can simply dip your mop into the water, spin it out by pressing down on the foot pedal, and now you can mop away. If you want the mop to be a little bit more damp, simply just don't spin it as much. If you want it to be a little bit more dry, then just spin it a little bit more. You can experiment here and find out what works best for you. Now the mop itself actually does a good job cleaning my kitchen floor. I think it does a good job even getting close to some of the corners underneath the cabinets. When you're all done, you can rinse and spin out the mop head, and now you can actually remove the mop head. To do this, you can place it on the ground and stand on the side of the mop strings, and then just push the handle of the mop to the side. Now, if you're having trouble with this or it's just not working right, you can also just manually grab it and pull it apart. I found it's easiest if you grab one of the corners and pull it apart there. Now you're all done. You can simply discard the dirty water and then wash the mop head. It is machine washable. Overall, I think it's a simple, easy to use mop that works pretty good. I hope that was helpful.